the people this industry can't do without. Uh, so friends, this is my video. For share, like, and uh, comment. Then he people also was another question. My video comment for I think people has been to you where to uh, to tell me that was a full watch video. So I think anything where to tell me for so that was I think people watch full video for I that was I that was air is not right is the was air right to for that to is not right to that is right to me for then I think people see can't without two for what air you air what two then people has been to anything you air to for that was air anything people was air to is not right was there to write is to tell me for anything so what you to is not right what you to write to me for that so I think people the was anywhere is not right the was air where is not right that the was air right so people has been anything two for me that I watch a full video for then like and share for and that is not right that is right to me tell me for other question for my video comment for other question so uh, so people the was anywhere is not right anywhere right is to tell me for others uh, has he has to see can't without people full watch video then what air you to then the was air is not right what air you then was air is not right is right to for is what air to right so I think people what is not right what is right to me for that I think you air to you have air you air have air too is not right so full watch video that that I saw me that was air is not right I saw me that is that was air to right is right to for is to know to know is not right that another me ways to me for that other we have air to what air to can't we have air is not right so uh, uh, solution for people has been can't air to where to for have been to me that was air to other ways so uh, other ways to me for then that watch full video then like and share so I think people has been to other ways then people has been other ways is not right for that I saw people has been to me for another comment me for I think you have been to you. That's why I what is not right. I what is right to me for. I think you have been. I think you have been is not right. So is right to for me. I think people has been to me that I so is not right to another. So people has been to is right not right for I that. So I think is not right is right to me for other ways to me that was air is was air the is not right is right was air the people has been to me is not right people has been to me right for that was is not right was air how was air how to me for other way can't without so like and share for people has been to me so what how air then so what air you for that so I think you have been to anything people has been history is right is not right but so you have been to then people has been to you are that so I think you have been anything people that so was air the air is not right the air was air to for the air so full watch video full watch this my video is not right full watch this my video right to me for that anything you have been is not right you have been is right to me for so I think you have been to me for that so how you air you have how to that is not right so I think people have been to you air to I think you have been so what air to me that I think people has been you people has been you that so I think you air have been to me that so you air anything how to you for you have been that so was air is not right so was air is right to me that I think without to tell me for anything people so was air the people is not right yes right to me for then you have air to me that so was air to me without so can't you do for ads for that so is not right for ads so is right to me for other ways for share like full watch this video then people has been to learn that has been to me I think people has been you for I think you have been to me you air how to you air then people how to air you is not right people has been you to how to write to me that was he has that was he has to me anything you have been to is not right you have been to is right to tell to me for other ways for is not right right to me for that I saw watch this film video like share that I think people has been to that was not right is right to me I think you have been people so watch this full video that was you have been I saw full watch this video then like share for watch full video then has been you have been to me without can't do you air so like share so that I think you have been to people so what air what to you that so I so I is not right yeah what is right to for that so I think you have been to for then there was air to me for is right to me, is not right to me, right, what is right to for that. So was a to me, I think people has been to what is right, what is not right, right to me for that was is not right is right to for